Hi guys, Celai here, and welcome back to another beauty series video. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a seawater spray using sea salt. But before we get started, today's shirt is dedicated to Malcolm X, because everybody knows his hands were rated E for everyone. Anyways, let's get started. So, have you ever noticed that after a day at the beach, your face feels so nice and soft and rejuvenated? Well, yeah, that's because of the sea salt in the water, because it helps combat acne-causing bacteria, skin infections, and speeds up the healing process, like in your wounds. Like if you have a cut, if you spray some salt water on it, it could, help speed up the process. And it also reduces the oil production in your skin. So that's why if you have acne and you go to the beach, after a while, your acne will start to dry up. And just for hair, it has anti-dandruff treatment. Oh, so let's get started. So today we're gonna be using Redmond's Real Salt because it's my favorite. If you look closely, you can see all of these dark speckles within the salt. Those are actually all of the minerals, which are really healthy for you, but not so healthy for the spray bottle. Which is why we'll be dissolving the salt, then pouring it into the spray container. So I already preheated the water to warm, but you don't want it too hot because then it'll melt your plastic spray bottle. But you don't want it too cold because then the salt won't melt. So now I'm gonna pour about 4 ounces of warm water into my container. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add more or less, but that's what I'll be using. The reason why I'm melting the salt in a different container is because last time I made this toner, I melted the salt in the spray bottle and all those amazing minerals ended up clogging the spray bottle. So this time I just decided we'll just have to do it in a different container. Oh no. Oh. Alright, I kind of overfilled that, but it's okay. Once the salt dissolves, the minerals will end up falling to the bottom. Then it'll be easier for us to just pour the seawater into the spray container without getting the minerals into it. I'm not sure if you can see them, but all those brown specks at the bottom of the container are all the minerals, and we want to make sure that we don't get them into the container. Now it's time to pour. Alright, so this is what it looks like, just regular water, just with salt in it, of course. And as you can see, I have some extra water, so you can put that in the refrigerator, so when you start to run out of the spray, you can just refill it, because I tend to use it 4 times a day, so it does run out pretty quickly. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite beach or a beach you've always wanted to travel to. Alright, bye!